Hello everyone. Let me tell you one of my Excel automation got failed due to change in file name. So in this video, we are going to fix that issue. And if you want to follow the steps along with me, so I have given the download link of all the Excel files in the description box. So you can download the zip file and you can practice along with me. So without delay, let's get started. So we will open a brand new Excel sheet. Let me zoom it. So in the first step, we will create file name and folder path. So here I will write file name and here folder path. So let me show you the files first. So here we have two reports, April and May. I will copy the file name, select the file, press F2, copy, and I will paste here. And we will give the file extensions as well, XLSX. Again, I will copy this folder location, right click, copy, and I will paste here. And don't forget to add backslash here. So you can do some formatting here as well. Select this and I will use this color and text white. Press Ctrl+1. I will do custom formatting here. @ star space backslash and colon. Click OK. So we have this too. Now we will give this a name. Simply you can select this and here you can give the name, or you can select this both the column, go into formula tab. In define names, we have create from selection option. Click here. Uncheck the top row because we don't have anything in top row. So we will provide name from left column. Click OK. Now to check the file names, click on the name manager. So for file name, we have file underscore name. And for path, we have folder underscore path. Close this. Step 2, we are going to load and transform the data. So first you can select any one of this, go into data tab, and in get and transform data, click on from table reach. So it will open the Power Query editor. Now you can see on the right hand side, it has given the name file underscore name, and there is certain steps that has been automatically applied by the Power Query. So first we will go into the source. You can see there is a table, column 1, and this is the value. So we don't want this table. We need only the file name. So select the first cell, right click and select drill down. Click continue. Now file name is containing only the file name. Okay. Now for folder path, simply select this file name, right click, duplicate this. First we will change the name. So the name we have given there, that is folder underscore path. Now we will select the source. Here you can see it has taken the file name. So we need to change the file name. Here we will replace file name with folder path, folder underscore path. Click enter. Now once you will click on navigation, so it will show you folder path. Now you can see we have two items here, file name that contains file name, folder path that contains the folder path. Now if you want, you can close and load this transformation and again load data from get data menu. Or already we have Power Query open here. So simply in the query panel, right click anywhere in the blank space. You will get this option, new query. Then you can go into the file and here you will be getting all the file options. So this process can be done by any of these file options. Okay. But here I will be choosing Excel workbook because we have data into Excel workbook. Click on this. So here we have two files, April and May. You can select any one of the files. Okay, so I'll be selecting April and click on import. So it will take few seconds to load the data. Now data has been loaded here. So in the navigator, you can select the file that you want to load and click OK. Again, it will take some time. Now data has been loaded here. Now first we will change the query name. I will give the name as monthly report. Click enter. And you can see here there are certain steps that has been applied automatically. So I don't want this step right now. So you can remove all these steps. Now we have this table that has been loaded and you can see here in file.contents, we have the complete file path that is hard coded. So if you want to see any other report that is available in that folder, so you cannot. Okay. So first we will remove this complete path including double quotes and we will provide the variables that we have created. So first we will give folder path. So here is the folder path and we will concatenate the file name using AND operator, file name. Click enter. Now here we don't want all these columns. I need only data column because table is available in this column. So select this data column, right click and select remove other columns. Now in the data column, you can see here in the top right corner, there is two arrows in opposite direction. This is expand button. Just click on this. You will see all the columns here and click OK. Now you can see data has been expanded, but it has given the column name as data.column1, data.column2. So we don't want this. So here we have already column headers are available in the first row. So simply what we will do, we will go in home tab. In transform, we have option use first row as a header. So we will click here. Now first row is promoted as a header. And here you can see on the right hand side all the steps. So here promoted headers and then changed type. So you can see as per the column value, the data type of the column has been changed. Okay. So if you want to cross validate, you can scroll and you can cross validate that if all the data types are okay, then you can load the table. Now transformation has been done. Next step, here in the home tab, the first option you will get close and load. In that we have two options, close and load directly or close and load to. So here I will choose second option, close and load to. So you will get this import data dialog box. So here I just wanted to create connections. I don't want to load the data right now. I will create only connection. Okay. And if you want to add this data in data model, so you can check it and click OK. So it will take some time to load all the transformation here. So you can check in the right hand side in query and connections. Okay. So all the connections has been done. Now here I want to publish the report. I will format this. I will copy this format and I will, okay. I have to load this data here from A6. Okay. So simply right click here. You will get this option, load to, click here, click table. Here you can see the location has been given A6, click OK. In the right hand side, you can see monthly report. It is loading. It will take few seconds. So data has been loaded. Now, if you want to change the file name, okay. So in the folder, you can see we have another file for May. So simply copy this file name and I will paste here. Okay. Now right click anywhere in this report and click on refresh. It will take few seconds. So you can see data has been loaded for May month. You can see this is the May month. Okay. So I hope you understood that how we use Power Query to automate this and how we use variables to change the file name and the folder path dynamically. So we will take it one step further and we are going to generate this file list dynamically. Okay. So for that, simply you can go into query section and click on edit. So again, it will load Power Query editor. Now in the query section, right click on the blank space, select new query, file, and now we will use folder. So we will go into this folder and we will select reports 2022 because all the Excel files will be available in this folder. Okay, click OK. So you will be having this dialog box. You need to click on transform data. Now here also in the source, we will change this folder location. Okay, we will replace this folder location with the variable folder path. Okay, so whatever the folder path we will provide in Excel, dynamically this will create the list of files available in that folder. Okay, click enter. Now here we have to generate the list only. Okay, so list, that is file name. So we will select the file name column, right click and remove other columns. And we will change this and we will change the query name, that is file list. Now click on close and load and we will choose second option, close and load to, and we will build the connection only. Click OK. Okay, so you can see file list connection only. Now we will take another sheet and we will load this file list here. So right click, load to, select table, and here you can select this first cell. If you want to add it into data model, you can select, this is optional, click OK. So it will take few seconds. I can see all the files available in that folder has been listed here. And this table is having a name file list. Okay. Now how to use this table? Go to the first sheet. Here in the file name, we will create a drop down list and that would be dynamic drop down list. Okay. Simply delete this file name, click on data tab. In data tools, there is an option data validation. So in allow, you can select list, and here we will use one formula, that is indirect, and here we will pass the file name in double quotes, that is file underscore list. Click OK. I can say we have the file list. So we have here right now May month data. So here you can select the month that you want to show. So I will select April and then simply right click here and refresh it. So in the right hand side, you can see monthly report is getting loaded. So here 49,067 rows loaded, and this is for April month. Okay. Now we will go into folder. Here we have right now 2 files. Let's suppose next month we will add another file. Okay. So we have one another file in this folder, June report. I will copy this and I will paste here. Now we have 3 files, April, May and June. Now come to the Excel. You can see here still we have 2 files. So now how to update this? Simply go into data tab, and here you will get refresh all option. Click on this. So you can see here on the right hand side, all the queries are updating. Okay, so query has been updated. Now you can see this drop down list. We have 3 files, April, May and June. Okay, so if you select June, here right click and refresh. So it will load June month data. Here you can see June month data has been loaded. So in this video, we have covered step-by-step automation to load the files from the folder. And if you want to combine the files, so I have a video, so you can click here and you can watch that video. And if this video is informative, so you can like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.